Hi, I'm Ray. Well, today I'm going to be showing you how to grow begonias in a hanging basket. So this is the begonia cascading mix, and I'm just imagining all these lovely flowers just overflowing this basket, covering with all lots of double flowers, lots of colour, lots of plants. So let's get on and show you what we're going to do. So I've got a hanging basket and it's got a paper liner in it. It has got a hole at the bottom just to let some drainage through. So I'm going to fill up this container with some compost and I'll show you how we're going to plant our begonia corms. So let me show you. So an easy way to plant your hanging basket is to have a flower pot and then put your hanging basket onto the pot, and that secures it quite nicely for a nice support, and it's not going to wobble about. So this is our hanging basket we've got, and we've got our chain around the outside here. We've got our plastic, it's got some drainage holes in the bottom, and then we've got some multi-purpose compost. This has got some perlite added into it, along with a bit of core, just to keep the moisture in the basket. So I'm just going to fill up our basket. Not over to the top. And I'm just going to firm it down slightly. There we go. So that's our basket. And we're going to take our corms. So this is the begonia corms. These can be sown from April onwards. And if we look closely, it's got a flat top and a rounded bottom. On the bottom is lots of furry roots. So that's the bottom, not thinking it's the top. And if we look really closely, right here, we've got an eye. And this is where the shoots are going to come from the bulb, from the corm. So we've got our basket. It's approximately 12 inches. So we're going to add 3 corms to our basket. So I'll show you facing to you slightly. And all we're going to do is just gently press the corm into the compost. I'm going to add 1, 2, and 3. So this is the old-fashioned way of planting the begonias, just leaving them on the top of the soil. But you can actually cover just with a slight covering with some compost. And there we go. And that is the begonia planted. 3 corms, 1 basket, and then we're going to wait and we're going to get a lovely colourful display. So the begonia is like a rich, moist garden soil with good drainage, preferably in a semi-shaded place, although they will bloom in full sun. Suitable for borders, containers and hanging baskets. Can also be grown as a houseplant. Plant outdoors, hollow pot upmost when all danger of frost is past. Keep the soil moist and remove faded flowers. At the end of the season, lift the tubers, cut the stems just above the tubers, and then store in a frost-free dry soil 4 to 10 degrees. So for early flowering, place tubers close together and level with the surface in the trays of a damp compost and sand. Try to maintain temperature of 7 to 16 degrees. Plant outdoors when all danger of frost has passed. So plant on the surface about 20 centimetres to 8 inches apart, sun, full sun, and flowers July onwards, and will come to a height of 20 centimetres, around 8 inches. So there we go. Let me know in the comments, have you grown cascading mix, and have you grown begonias in the past? Last year we did our begonias and they were a great success, so I'm going to continue to do it again this year in the hanging basket. Perfect. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more. And if you want to know how to grow other flowers, then check out this video just here. Cheers!